Engine misfiring in Volkswagen Jetta? Symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Is your Volkswagen Jetta not running as smoothly as it used to? Feeling jerks, loss of power, or unusual vibrations? These could be signs of engine misfiring, something you should never ignore. In this video, let's break down the key symptoms, causes, and what you should do next. What is engine misfiring? Engine misfiring happens when one or more cylinders fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture properly. This disrupts the engine's performance and can lead to bigger, costly problems if left unchecked. It's not just a minor issue, it directly affects your car's efficiency and reliability. Common symptoms. You shouldn't ignore one. Rough idling and vibrations. If your Jetta feels shaky or unstable while idling, it's a clear sign something isn't right inside the engine. 2. Loss of power. While driving, struggling to accelerate, or feeling a sudden drop in power, misfiring cylinders reduce engine output significantly. 3. Check engine light. On one of the most obvious indicators. If this light is flashing, it usually means severe misfiring that needs immediate attention. 4. Poor fuel efficiency. Noticing more frequent fuel refills? Misfiring causes incomplete combustion, wasting fuel. 5. Unusual engine sounds. Popping, coughing, or sputtering noises are classic signs of misfire issues. Main causes behind engine misfire: faulty spark plugs, ignition coil issues, fuel injector problems, vacuum leaks, low compression. Worn or damaged plugs fail to ignite fuel properly. Weak coils can't deliver enough voltage. Blocked or malfunctioning injectors disrupt fuel flow. Extra air entering the system disturbs the air-fuel ratio. Internal engine damage can also lead to misfires. What should you do? First, don't ignore the warning signs. Get your car scanned using an OBD tool to identify the exact issue. Regular maintenance, like replacing spark plugs and checking ignition components, can prevent major damage. If symptoms persist, visit a professional mechanic immediately. Engine misfiring in your Volkswagen Jetta isn't something to take lightly. Early diagnosis can save you from expensive repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Stay alert to these symptoms and act fast. Your engine will thank you.